Hey everybody, Sean here from Sean's RC Adventures. I'm back again, going to do a quick unboxing. This is another Club 5 Racing product. This is the interior for the classic Range Rover that I have been building. So let's go ahead, we'll open this up, we'll see what's in it. So this is going to be me seeing it for the first time along with yous. So this is it here. It's for the classic Range Rover hard body. See what we got. This looks like some pieces for around the fenders. Steering wheel, which is pretty actually huge, the size of this thing. Some seats. And these things are big. Really looking forward to this. What's in this? This is all the like little gear shifters and all the little accessory pieces for the inside as well. Pretty cool. It's like the handles off the side of the steering wheel and stuff like that. It looks like for your turn signals. Obviously another seat. The dashboard, which is pretty big as well. It's nice. I don't know if you can see them, all the gauges and everything here. You know, there will be decals in here somewhere for all of that. And again, this is for the classic Range Rover, this part. Not sure what that's for. This is the front. Yeah, so this would be the front, because I know this thing is already cut out for the SCX 10.2. It does fit the TRX4. You will have to slightly modify it to fit the TRX4, but this is it. So this is just more screws. I don't really want to dig too deep into these, just in case. But here's like all the gauges and clocks, if you can see them. Sorry about that, just had to pause for a moment. This is actually the rear fenders, so this will all go together. I'm not sure exactly how, probably some way like this or some way like this. I'd more than likely probably say it's like this. Probably. I'm not sure. I don't know. So here's a second one of these, so I don't know what these are for. These are your door panels. So it even has the wind up handles, because back when the old classic Range Rover they didn't have power windows. So there's two of them. There is a piece of like cloth in there. I don't know what that's for. I'll have to figure it out. So let's see what the instructions say. Okay, so it looks like in one of these bags. Okay, so it looks like all these little strips in here actually make the back bed. So you lay them out to make it look like it's rippled like that. Oh, okay, so these pieces that I was talking about, so in one of the bags there must be another piece. So these actually go under the seat. Oh, them seats are going to sit up pretty high. Oh, it'll be interesting to see what size of figure I can get in here. This is for your door panels. Is it? Oh no, this is telling you how this all goes together. So it's like front, rear, rear, front. Oh, this is for actually, if you want to use a Traxxas TRX4, this is a template that you would actually need to cut out of these pieces. Oh, that's pretty cool that they give you the template for it. And this is just telling you for the doors, for what way the door panels go on. So that's pretty cool. Let's just see how a piece of this looks. Just bear with me. I would say this probably goes like this, maybe. So guys, this is like, you can see just how big this thing is going to be inside the Range Rover. I'm actually looking forward to getting this interior. Looks like a pretty cool interior. I'd say I think these would be for body posts, if you wanted to do a different type of body than the Range Rover and use this interior, because I know when you use the kit that comes with the Range Rover, you don't actually need body posts. So I'm still not too sure why they would give you the body post cutouts, but again, must be in case you ever do want to change bodies and keep the interior. Thanks everybody.